Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick video. I've already done one of these on my channel and I wanted to do another one. I'm going to be reviewing Madelaine Petsch's sunglasses. Like I said, I did one of these before. I reviewed her sunglasses in the style The Streets. So if you haven't seen that, like if this is the first one that you're watching of these videos and you want to check out the other like sunglasses, I'll put a thing up here for you to check out, or this side, whatever side it is, and I'll also link it down below. So the pair that I'm going to be reviewing today are the style Clique, and I got them in red, I believe it is. It's either red or burgundy is the colour. You can get them in tortoiseshell and yellow as well, I believe. But I got the red ones. So just like the street pair, they came in a box that had, I'm pretty sure it had the Prive Revaux logo on it. I don't have the box on me at the moment, but I have the case. So this is the case. It's just like the last one. This cool little like leatherette sort of case with Prive Revaux kind of embossed into it, I think. I don't know, it's kind of like in the thing. And then you open it up and it's like this really nice velvet sort of stuff. And then it's got Prive Revaux x Madelaine. And then inside are a cleaning cloth that I haven't opened or used yet, and I think I put it in the actual box, but it also comes with a little card of like authenticity to say that these are actual glasses. They're not like a fake pair or anything like that. But then you also get the glasses, and this is what they look like. I really like them. They're a very big pair. I normally buy like big sunglasses for myself because I just like the way they look on me, but this is them. And it also has on the side, if it will focus, which I don't think it's going to. I don't know if we're going to focus, but it says Prive Revaux x Madelaine on the side, and the same with this side. But yeah, this is what they look like. I really like them. Actually, I think these ones are my new favorites. I absolutely love the street, and they were the ones that like I originally just wanted to get. And then I saw these and I was like, I want them too. So this is what they look like. I really do like them. Like I said, they are quite big and oversized on me, but I do have a very small head. So a lot of glasses are big and oversized on me, but I really like how oversized they are. I don't think they're too big to make me look too bug-eyed. But this is what they look like. I love them. I think they're amazing. These are definitely my new favorite ones. If I were to get them again, I think I might get them in yellow, even though that is quite a bright, bold color. I really like them. This red I thought would be brighter. It is a little bit darker than I was originally expecting, but I do very much enjoy it. I have worn them out a lot and gotten a ton of compliments on them. So I really like them. I think they're really good. They're very like hard, sturdy plastic, so I don't think they're gonna break. These cost me about 53 Australian dollars, so that was for the glasses and shipping. I bought them on Amazon. I bought them on the US Amazon, but now if I were to buy again, there's a new like tax and GST laws set in Australia now, so we have to pay extra for international shipping. So I don't think I'm going to be buying any more of her glasses, sadly, but I grabbed them before that went down. So it cost me about 53 Australian dollars. That was the glasses converting from US dollars, including shipping. In the US, I'm pretty sure they retail for about $29–30. But yeah, this is them. I'm super happy with them. I absolutely love them. Definitely my favorite glasses. If you follow me on Instagram, you might see me wearing them already up in my stories and whatever. So yeah, that is all for this video. I just wanted to show you these glasses. If you'd like to check out my other review on Madelaine's glasses, I'll leave, like I said, a link down below for you to do that. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!